today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson L120 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Epson L120 support onto Google. Best result should come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson L120 support. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down list and then select Go. And then expand the driver section and select the print driver download option. And then once it's on your device, open up that file to run it. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes to proceed. And then just follow along with the on-screen prompts of getting your printer configured and set up, wireless or wired printing, that sort of stuff. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.